This is Will burping the alphabet.
Once a year, they are the stage for a remarkable natural drama. It starts with a single pregnant Ophthalmosaurus, followed by hundreds more of her kind. All are gathered here from deeper water to
I feel sick.
Very good, Will. I'm really impressed. What did you think, Ashley? Was that good? Was that good?